Hello dear students, we want to study the properties of ionic compounds. So the first ionic compound that we have in this watch class is sodium chloride. The another ionic compound that we have taken as a sample is potassium iodide. This potassium iodide I am going to take out into the another watch class. And then we have the third sample, which is the sample of barium chloride. You can see the crystals of barium chloride. They are solid in state, and we'll take some of the crystals out of this barium chloride. So now you can easily see that all these three compounds, they are solid in state, they are hard. Now we'll check whether they are brittle or not. So I shall take some of the barium chloride out, and then I'm going to apply pressure on this barium chloride with the help of the spatula, and let us see what happens. You can see that the crystals of barium chloride are broken into the small pieces. So we can say that the ionic compounds are brittle. When pressure is applied, they turns into the small pieces. So now you can understand that there is a difference between the crystals of this barium chloride and this. Now we are going to study their solubility in water. So we have here with us the three various beakers. In each beaker we are going to add some crystals of, first we'll add the sodium chloride, then we shall add potassium iodide, and then we are going to add this barium chloride, and let us dissolve them well. You can see that the crystals have been dissolved. Here also even in the case of sodium chloride. So we can ultimately say that these substances, they can easily dissolve in water, and that is why they are water soluble, my dear students. Now we shall study their solubility in kerosene. So we have kerosene with us. You can see that I have kerosene in this this kerosene I am going to transfer into the test tubes. So here I have test tubes. You can see these test tubes. These test tubes I am going to put here. Then I am going to add kerosene in these test tubes. So now we can see that the kerosene is present in these test tubes, and now we are going to add these substances into it. So first we shall add our barium chloride to one of the test tube. Then we shall add potassium iodide to the another test tube, and then we shall add sodium chloride to the third test tube, and let us try to dissolve them. You can see that the crystals have not been dissolved and they are lying at the bottom without any kind of change. Same way we can look into the another test tube that the crystals have not been dissolving at all. You can see that the crystals are lying and they are available as usual. They do not dissolve into the kerosene. You can see here even this case. You can see that the crystals are lying at the bottom and they have not been dissolving at all into kerosene. So this is how, my dear students, we come to know about the solubility in kerosene. Now we want to study their flame. So first let me switch on the flame. Let me do it for you. Let me switch on the flame so that we can check it out. Now we have the flame. So now first we shall take some of the powder from the barium chloride. See, I have some powder on my finger. That is what I am going to check it out on the flame by throwing it. You can see some color. Let me show you the color once again in the white light, because the light of mobile does not make it clear. What color do you observe, my dear students? Yes, it should be the apple green color that you should observe. You can see that there is a green color produced by the burning of, you can see green color easily. Now let us try for the another compound, that is your potassium iodide. Let us see what color does the potassium iodide gives. You can see a violet color is being produced. Let me reduce the flame for you so that we can get a better color. You can see the violet color produced. And then if we add the sodium chloride, it is going to give us the color which is golden yellow color. So this is how, my dear students, we can see the various color that has been produced by the burning of the various compounds. You can see the green color once again. I hope you can see the green color. Green color is given by the barium chloride. So this is how, my dear students, we understand the properties of ionic compound. I hope you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.